Well, there it is, the IDFC First Bank Ranji Trophy for 24-25. Day 1, Session 1. It's Delhi versus Railways, and we are coming to you live from the Arun Jaitley Stadium.
Heads.
Heads is the call. And heads it is. आयुष, टॉस जीत गए, क्या करने वाले हो और क्यों?
सर हम बॉलिंग करेंगे क्योंकि थोड़ा सा ग्रीन विकेट है एंड मॉइस्चर का यूज़ करेंगे हमारे पेसेस.
That's the first delivery, and we are off and away. Coming in, gets off the mark straight away.
जी हाँ, यहाँ पे गैप मिला, बॉल को दिशा दिखाई और पहला चौका आता हुआ रेलवे के खाते में.
Oh, but there goes the finger. Nanda Kishore points heavenwards. Breakthrough for Delhi. And Railways have been pushed back. We'll get 4 for that. Fortuitous, but runs are runs wherever they come.
एक बार फिर से गैप में बॉल को डाला है. बॉल जिस गति से बाउंड्री की तरफ जा रही है, जी लीजिए.
Shot put away. He'll get 4 for that. And apart from the boundary, will also give him a huge amount of confidence as well. In the air, there is a fielder straight down his throat. Wicket number 2 for Railways goes down. Suraj Ahuja for 14. Railways 21 for 2.
And he cleans him up. Navdeep Saini coming from round the wicket gets rid of the opener. That's the 3rd wicket gone. And Vivek goes without scoring runs after facing 14 deliveries. Off the edge, that'll run away to the boundary. A welcome boundary for Railways. Straying onto the pads, nicely put away. Boundary for Upendra Yadav.
What a shot this is, and the man at second slip will be proud of that. The batsman just stands there, admires that shot and says, go fetch that, mate.
लाजवाब स्ट्रोक. गैप में बॉल को खेल दीजिए, गेंद बाउंड्री के बाहर ही दिखेगा.
Stylishly played through the onside. Nicely timed, and he's found the gap as well. Driven into the gap, and he will find the boundary. And has it got the edge? Yes. Nand Kishore says yes. And Grewal, as his man, conceded a boundary and then produced the beauty of the next one to find the outside edge. And he cleans him up with the Yorker. Wraps on the pad and up goes the finger. Superb stuff this from Grewal. Back-to-back wickets for him. Straying in line and paying the price for it is Navdeep Saini.
Nicely played forward. Positive in intent is Karan Sharma. The umpire does signal and call lunch on the first day of this Group D clash between Delhi and Railways. Just to remind the viewers that Delhi won the toss, put Railways into bat, and the Railway team is tottering at 87.5 their side back in the hut.
Fuller length and driven beautifully by Karan Sharma. Using his feet and tonking the ball way into the stands. That's the first maximum.
आखिरी गेंद को इस तरीके से समाप्त करते हुए बाउंड्री आती हुई. लीजिए, एक और बाउंड्री आती हुई. एक बार फिर से बॉल को गैप में डाला है.
Some width was offered and he's used it to good effect as Upendra Yadav. Another boundary for him. Just guiding the ball, using the pace of the bowler And that boundary also brings up the 50 of Upendra Yadav.
पहला था, पर उससे पहले उस चर्चा को जारी रखेंगे, इस शॉट का लुत्फ उठाइए। पर रिजल्ट में कोई बदलाव नहीं। आखिरी समय तक गेंद को देखा, गेंद को दिशा दिखाई और बाउंड्री मिलती हुई यहाँ पे।
Comfortable one will get runs, 4 of them. Oh, in the air. The plan almost working for Ayush Badoni and Navdeep Saini. Oh, now he swings that one. That's gone all the way. That'll be the second 6 of this innings so far. Also bringing up the 50 for Karan Sharma. The first time he's gone past 50. Oh, that's again in the air. There is a fielder. He's getting underneath it. And he's gonna take it. What a catch in the end. A great effort this. Will go up to the third umpire. Off you go, says Navdeep Saini. He's got his man, and no better thing than the plan coming off. There were 3 fielders positioned exactly for that, and Karan Sharma, second time unlucky for him. Oh, he's gone as well. 2 and 2. It's all happening here at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi. Will get 4. Brilliantly played. That's a shot of a man in form. And he'll get 4 more for that. This has gone fine to the right of fine leg this time. Shot again. Fielder there will prevent any damage. Just the single, end of the over. And that's time for tea, says umpire Nand Kishore. So it's tea time on day 1 of this Group D clash between Indian Railways and Delhi. Coming to you live from Arun Jaitley Stadium in New Delhi. Pulled away, will get a boundary. The real gift this for Upendra, and he accepts it with glee. Just chancing his arms there. Will get runs, perhaps 4. Yes, he'll get a boundary.
Straying way down the leg side was Mathur. He was looking to bowl a quicker delivery. And he's always been looking to play big shots. And he gets hold of that and clears the rope comfortably enough for a maximum. Is looking to get runs quickly here, and he succeeds. Played away on the onside. Has he beaten it? Yeah, he's beaten the fielders. Lot more in control, and that's the result. Using his feet, going for a big hit. It's in the air. Fielders coming underneath it, and is taken. That's the end of a fantastic innings from Upendra Yadav. Going over the top, but he finds a fielder. Oh no! It's a miss. Does drag his shot. And once again, off the hand. It crosses the boundary for a 6.
In the air. There is a fielder there, straight to him. The batsman already making his walk back. Saini, the fielder on that occasion. Nice simple catch for him.
हिमांशु सांगवान 29 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए। रेलवे 240 पे 9।
Got him! Clean him up. It was just waiting to happen. The third wicket for him signals the end of the Railways innings. 241 all out. So we will see Delhi coming out and batting, which at one stage didn't seem possible.
और यहाँ पे रेलवे की पारी 241 रन पे सिमटती हुई।
They are the 2 openers coming out to bat. Probably the best day to bat on. Take a look at that. That's clearly evident how good this pitch has become in the course of the day. Ball coming nicely onto the bat. Surely looks classy, and there it is, the class of a left-hander coming to the fore. Absolute treat for sore eyes.
मैं आराम से खेल पा रहा था और ये देखिए ये गेंद पड़ने के बाद थोड़ा सा बाहर निकला और काफी था एज लेने के लिए.
That's gloriously played into the offside through the gap. Neatly tucked away. He's timed it really well. It'll race away to the boundary. Going for an expansive drive. He's lucky. That's one which has gone off the inside edge. And he will get a boundary for that. Glorious shot this. Getting onto his toes and punching it off the back foot. Off the edge, it races away to the boundary. Not convincing at all from Yashzul. End of the 10th over, and there'll also be time. And Delhi's day comes to an end with their scorecard reading 41 for 1 in reply to Railway's score of 241. They won the toss, they put Railways into bat, and they've done well right through the day. And in this session, 4 wickets were lost, and exactly 100 runs were scored. And the run rate has been very healthy in this session, 4.23 runs per over. Obviously, the last session will always be a good one for batting. And once the moisture dries out from the surface,